Mysterious signals coming from deep space have prompted an unusual request from scientists at the Argelander Institute for Astronomy at Bonn University in Germany. They're asking for people to stop using their telescopes to look at the sky on a specific night next month so that they can observe something weird happening in space. It all has to do with fast radio bursts, which are incredibly powerful but short-lived bursts of energy that come from distant galaxies. Since we first detected them almost 20 years ago, we've seen hundreds of these bursts, but we still don't know what causes them. It's one of the biggest mysteries in modern astronomy. And there's something really odd about the signals that we're seeing right now. It's not the source or the strength of the signals. That's normal. What's weird is that it seems like multiple fast radio bursts are happening at roughly the same time. In a paper published last week in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics, a group of researchers led by astrophysicist Joe Collingham at the University of Manchester in the UK reported they had discovered 4 fast radio bursts that all seem to have originated from the same galaxy. It's about 3 billion light years away, and it's been previously known as FRB 121002. But the team found that out of the 16 bursts of radio waves that have been detected coming from this galaxy, 4 of them seem to have occurred within a 47-day period in late 2019. And given the uncertainty in the exact timing, it's possible that some of those bursts actually happened at the same time. This is the closest we've ever seen bursts happen to each other. Normally, they're evenly spaced out over the course of weeks, months, or even years. Astronomers have never seen them bunch up like this before. Now, to be clear, while astronomers were able to determine that these 4 bursts came from the same galaxy, they still don't know exactly where in that galaxy they came from. It could be that they're originating from different places, but they all just happen to point towards us at the same time. Or they could be coming from the same place, like, say, a single star. But again, it's hard to say. All of this is to say that astronomers still have a lot of questions about what's going on here. But they do have some guesses. One possibility is that these bursts come from a highly magnetized, rapidly spinning neutron star known as a magnetar. These are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. When they're born, they have magnetic fields that are thousands of times stronger than the ones we have here on Earth. And they rotate incredibly fast, hundreds of times per second. But as astrophysicist Natasha Hurley-Walker at Curtin University in Australia points out, magnetars can't keep their rotation up for very long. Eventually, they slow down, and their magnetic field with it. So the team thinks that whatever is causing these bursts needs to spin faster and be more magnetized than any known magnetar. Okay, so how does that explain these bursts happening at the same time? Well, it's possible that these closely spaced bursts come from different parts of the same object. Something like a massive flare that occurs when the object's magnetic field gets twisted up and releases a surge of energy. Or maybe these bursts aren't coming from a single object at all. Maybe they're coming from 2 closely interacting objects. The team thinks it's possible that these bursts might actually be neutron stars that are in orbit around each other. Whatever the explanation, scientists think it could help shed light on magnetars in general. And if that happens, it'll be thanks to what's known as a fast radio telescope, which can scan the skies much faster than traditional radio telescopes. But as researchers from Bonn University explained in a recent press release, they need to take a break from scanning the skies to make this experiment work. On April, between 19 and 21 UTC, they're asking astronomers around the world to stop using fast radio telescopes to look in the direction of the galaxy M81. This galaxy is about 12 million light years away, and it's easily visible with a large telescope or even a small telescope. By temporarily giving up our view of this galaxy, astronomers hope to catch a glimpse of something truly extraordinary happening billions of light years away. Thanks for watching this episode of Sci Show Space. If you would like to help support this channel, we have a platform where you can support us directly and get cool perks like submitting a question to our inbox.